Your name is Tina. Your position is your people for